Okay, so further exploring Joule, one of the use cases is asking colleagues for feedback. So I'm going to type in just starting with something simple, right? It doesn't have to be a fully thought out prompt, but I'm just going to say, hey, ask Ben Shervin for feedback, right? And so then Joule will work on that, and then it'll match it, and then say, hey, what's your feedback topic? Our recent SuccessFactors project. And so then Joule will take that and then pull this together. So feedback request for myself from Ben Shervin on our recent SuccessFactors project. And look, it generated a couple of questions for me. If you want, you can change that, but if not, I can go ahead and just press the submit button right here. And then Joule will go ahead and do that for me. So previously, you would have had to go in and do this within the performance and goals module, but now the feedback has been sent, and then I can click go to feedback, and it'll take me right there. Right? And so you can see it right here to Ben Shervin, our recent SuccessFactors project, and then there's the questions that I asked here. All right, thank you very much. Please like, subscribe, comment, let me know what other videos you'd like to see.